Maxie.
Oh! You scared me. You remember me as a scientist.
I remember you.
Even though I'm not a dancing monkey. Can I see some of my dancing moves?
Sure. You're really good. Are you dancing to music in your head?
Mm-hmm. I'm a dancing monkey, though.
Yeah, you're a dancing monkey.
Look at that little fish. Precious.
Where's Daddy?
He's gonna go get me food.
What kind of food?
Happy Meal.
Next, you have to look at the camera.
Happy Meal.
Okay.
This is a dance that Alvin did.
Who did that?
Alvin.
Oh, yeah.
Alvin the pirate.
What was that? I heard someone do a stinky fart.
No, it wasn't a fart.
What was it?
That was a thing for somebody's body. It must have been broken.
So that wasn't you farting just now?
No.
You sure? You sure? I thought I heard you fart.
But farting sounds are like this.
I heard something.
No, that was a potty thing.
Okay.
Farting sounds are like this. That's our farting sounds.
Oh. Can you beatbox?
Beatbox?
Mm-hmm. Good job, Maxie. What's that? What are you digging for gold? Maxie, that's on video. That's disgusting. Okay, I'm signing off.
No!
That's disgusting. Don't do that, honey.
That's part of the...
No, signing off.